Here I have iPad 10th generation, and today I'm going to show you how to record videos in slow motion on this device. So to do this, first let's open camera, then switch to the slow motion mode, and here we can record videos in slow motion. So I'm gonna record this toilet paper spin. Oh, so let's get it. So I start recording, then I spin it. Okay, wait. That's a bad angle. Okay, let's give it another try. Okay, I hope it worked out well. So now let's check it out. Okay, so like as you can see here, this toilet paper spins slightly slower. Maybe you can call it a slow-mo. So yeah, that's how I can easily record it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.